So if you notice, we've got road debris, a couple scrapes here. So we got a mod. We're gonna add some side skirts to see how they look. All right, so last week we did the engine cover, the clear cover, and today we are doing the side skirts. So we are gonna drop the car off here at Automotive Research, put on the side skirts, see how the next mod looks. All right, about to get the install in. Take a look at her before. So let's take a look at the finished result. We've got the side skirts on. Take a look at them. We've got the carbon fiber. Man, these are nice. Nice extension, help protect the side of the vehicle. All right, let's take a look at what we got completed here. Today we got the side skirts put on. Really happy with these. They're like a composite material with a carbon fiber dip. I believe these were dipped, but they're really nice. I'm happy with them. I can definitely not complain. And then we also did last week the engine bay cover. So we've got the engine cover, the side skirts done, and we will have the wheels from Variant will be here on Friday. So listen, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. And until then, thanks for watching.